Have you ever seen two mattresses that look almost the same, but the prices are different? You may even ask, but are they not both 6x6? The truth is, mattress size is only one part of the story. Today, let's talk about how to compare two mattresses properly before choosing. 1. Compare the size. First, start with the size. Check the length and width. A 6x6 mattress is not the same as a 4.5x6 mattress. If the size is wrong, nothing else will matter because it may not fit your bed. And 2. Compare the thickness. After size, check the thickness. One mattress may be 6 inches thick, another may be 10 inches thick. Even if both are the same length and width, the thicker one may feel different and may also cost more. So, don't compare only by length and width. 3. Compare the firmness. Some mattresses are soft, some are firm, some are in the middle. If you like strong support, don't choose only by beauty or price. Ask how firm the mattress is. The right firmness can affect how comfortable you feel when you sleep. 4. Compare what each mattress is meant for. Not every mattress is meant for the same purpose. Some are better for everyday bedroom use. Some are okay for guest rooms. Some are designed for better support. So ask yourself, what do I need this mattress for? That answer will guide your choice. 5. Compare who will use it. A mattress for one person may not be the same choice as a mattress for two people. A mattress for children may not be the same as one for an elderly person. Think about the person using it every day. Body weight, sleeping style, and comfort preference all matter. 6. Compare comfort and support. When you are choosing a mattress, don't only think of how it looks. Think of how it supports your body. A mattress should help you rest well. It should not make you wake up feeling uncomfortable. Comfort and support should work together. 7. Don't compare price alone. This is where many people make mistakes. One mattress may be cheaper today, but if it does not give you the comfort or durability you need, you may spend more later. So, compare value, not just price. Closing. So when you are comparing two mattresses, check the size, thickness, firmness, purpose, comfort, support, and value. Don't just ask how much. Ask which one is right for me. For quality mattresses made for Nigerian homes, visit a Winco Foam showroom or go to wincofoam.com. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more simple mattress tips. Until next time, sleep well, live better.